my name is Kelly and I am a full-time reseller on the Poshmark app. I also sell on ThreadUp and other sites occasionally. My Instagram and my store name is rebel_rose_co. Today I'm going to show you how I store my inventory. So I have about, I think 36 bins right now. This is the most I've ever had, and each bin is pretty full. So basically what I do is I take each item, and I know a lot of people do inventory numbers. I tried that, but I cannot be super, what's the word? I don't pay super close attention to details sometimes. So if I'm like one number off, then I'm like, it could be in 36 bins. I don't know what bin it is. So I take the item, I list it, I fold it, I put it in a clear plastic bag, and then in Sharpie, I just write the name of the item on there. So if it's a pair of Lululemon cropped leggings, I write Lululemon cropped leggings, and then I'll put the size for if I have like a bunch of similar items. So yeah. Oh, up here I have bags and accessories. I have bras and lingerie, swimwear, some random shoes, kids clothes, men's clothes, because I don't sell a whole lot of either of those. And this is just in my garage, by the way. I've got a bunch of poly mailers. So basically the way I do it is I'll have, I have a lot of bins, and I have, each bin has like a category, and they don't really go in any specific order. So let's say I forgot to put the inventory number for a sweater. I know it's at least in like bin 1, bin 4, bin 18. I know it's at least in one of those. So this is just what works for me best. So I have some new in the box shoes. I have some other shoes. I have not perfected how I store my shoes. I've tried a couple different ways. And then I have, right here, I have a rack, and I have, this is the majority of my shoes. I used to keep them in bins, but it didn't really work for me. And then if I slide this, back here I have 4 more bins. I have some shoes down there, some shoes there, and then I've got some big boxes up here. I have some boxes broken down here that I can put back together for when I make ThreadUp boxes. I have a ThreadUp box here. I've been selling a lot on ThreadUp. So then I've got tank tops. I have mystery box inventory. I sell those every once in a while. And so the more, okay, first of all, none of my bins match really, because when I started Poshmark, I didn't think it was gonna be my job one day. So I didn't care if things matched, because like I used to have like 5 bins for so long, and I thought that was all I would ever have. I didn't think I would have this many. So unfortunately, it's not that visually pleasing, but it's what I have for now. So what I was gonna say is, like, I'll have like tank tops, short sleeve. Down here I have long sleeve, but as I'm like getting up there in numbers, like if I have 5 extra tank tops that don't fit anywhere, I might just put them in the short sleeve bin instead of getting a whole new bin for tank tops. So I'm still working things out. But I've got dresses, athletic pants, jeans. I had shorts up here, dresses, jeans, dresses. I have way too many dresses. I have jackets, coats, blazers, pants, athletic pants, more pants, dresses, skirts. And again, with the bins not matching, the numbers aren't exactly stacked in order, because when I would get a new bin, it might not necessarily fit where it's supposed to. So that, I mean, that was just me not knowing. Then I have some shoes stored here, and then I have some huge bins. These are both sweaters. So let me show you like an example how I store my items. So this is bin 17. So in my Poshmark listing, in the SKU, I'll say is bin 17. So when I sell the item, I know to go look at bin 17. So for example, this is an Alice McCall dress. It's the only Alice McCall dress I have. So it's just in a plastic bag. And it says Alice McCall. I've got a Layla Rose dress. That's all it says, because I only have one of those. But let's say for like American Eagle jeans, I would put the size and the style name. And then some shoes I need to go through. Another one of these metal racks. I got these 2 from Costco, two from Amazon, 1 from Costco. And then got some more poly mailers, some more bins here. I don't really have room for this yet though, so I'm just gonna wait and see. And then it's just a table from our backyard. I use it for packaging my items. And I just got some new business cards. Yeah, so that was, sorry for the terrible video quality. I am still new here, but that was my inventory. Thank you for watching. I hope I explained how I store my inventory. I hope the video wasn't too shaky. But yeah, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification and give this video a like if you liked it. Okay, bye.